How to remove the Holden Cruze JH glove box, whether you need access to the fuses or the heater blower motor or the resistor, etc. Now we'll open the glove box, and to the top there are two screws. I believe they are 7mm. Remove these two, and then next to the side there is a trim that we'll need to remove. This one over here. With a plastic tool, I'd recommend using plastic and not metal because you don't want to damage any of the trims. And there'll be another screw here that you'll need to remove. Once you remove this one, with your plastic tool, all you need to do is pull the glove box out of place. Go along as it clips into position. And then all you need to do is, once it's out of position, is unplug the inner courtesy light if it has one on the inside of the glove box. By pressing onto that part of the plug. And as you can see, you have your fuses here, you have the blower motor down there, and then your resistor.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.